Ever wondered if you're too late to jump on the cryptocurrency bandwagon and make a profit? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore 10 ingenious methods to make money with cryptocurrency in 2024. From investing to content creation, we've got you covered. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. Are you ready to revolutionize your financial future with crypto? Stick around, and let's uncover the secrets together. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Investing. Riding the crypto wave. Are you ready to ride the crypto wave to financial success? Investing in cryptocurrency offers a unique opportunity to grow your wealth over time. By adopting a buy and hold strategy, you can capitalize on the potential growth of digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. With careful research and market analysis, you can make informed decisions to maximize your returns. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of this transformative financial revolution. Start investing in cryptocurrency today and secure your financial future. Number 2. Crypto lending. Your path to passive income. Looking for a hassle-free way to generate passive income? Enter the world of crypto lending. By leveraging your cryptocurrency holdings as collateral, you can access liquidity while still holding on to your assets. Platforms like CoinRabbit.io make the process seamless, offering quick access to funds and a user-friendly interface. With over 107 currencies supported, you have the flexibility to choose the assets that best suit your investment strategy. Say goodbye to traditional banking and hello to a new era of financial freedom with crypto lending. Start earning passive income today and take control of your financial future. Number 3. Trading. Mastering the art of the crypto exchange. Ready to dive into the dynamic world of crypto trading? It's time to master the art of the crypto exchange. With the potential for short-term gains, trading offers an exciting opportunity to profit from market fluctuations. However, success requires skill and strategy. Equip yourself with technical analysis and stay informed about market trends. Consider utilizing trading bots to automate your transactions and maximize efficiency. While volatility presents risks, it also opens doors to lucrative opportunities. Take your first steps towards becoming a crypto trader today and unlock the potential for financial growth in this rapidly evolving landscape. Number 4. Mining. Unearthing digital gold. Join the thrilling pursuit of digital gold through cryptocurrency mining. As the backbone of blockchain networks, mining offers a secure and decentralized method of validating transactions. While requiring initial investment in mining rigs, the potential for profit is substantial. By dedicating computational power to solving complex algorithms, miners are rewarded with newly minted coins. Although the process demands hardware and energy, the rewards can be significant, especially when mining sought-after currencies. Embrace the opportunity to contribute to the crypto ecosystem and reap the rewards of mining digital gold. Start your mining journey today and unlock the potential for lucrative returns. Number 5. Staking. Becoming the bank of the future. Step into the role of the bank of the future with cryptocurrency staking. By participating in staking, you can earn passive income by supporting blockchain networks. Simply hold your coins in a designated wallet and contribute to the network's security and consensus mechanism. In return, you receive rewards proportional to your stake. Staking offers a seamless way to generate income while actively participating in the crypto ecosystem. With the potential for long-term gains and minimal effort required, staking is an attractive option for investors looking to diversify their portfolio. Start staking today and embrace the future of banking with cryptocurrency. Number 6. Crypto esports betting. Leveling up your earnings. Elevate your earnings by delving into the world of crypto esports betting. As esports gain popularity, so does the opportunity to profit from their success. With crypto betting platforms, enthusiasts can wager on their favorite teams and events using cryptocurrency. Explore unique betting options and capitalize on favorable odds to maximize your returns. While relatively new, crypto esports betting presents a lucrative avenue for savvy investors. Whether you're a casual fan or a seasoned bettor, the thrill of esports combined with the potential for financial gain makes crypto betting an enticing prospect. Level up your earnings today with crypto esports betting. Number 7. Buy and exchange NFTs. Investing in digital art. Venture into the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and unlock the potential of investing in digital art. NFTs represent unique digital assets stored on the blockchain, offering unparalleled ownership and authenticity. Dive into online marketplaces to purchase or exchange NFTs, ranging from digital art pieces to collectibles and virtual real estate. With the recent surge in popularity, NFTs have become a lucrative investment opportunity, attracting both artists and collectors alike. However, navigating the NFT market requires caution and research to identify valuable assets. Embrace the future of art ownership and start investing in NFTs today to build a diversified digital portfolio and potentially reap substantial rewards. Number 8. Play-to-earn games, gaming your way to wealth. Embark on a journey to wealth through play-to-earn games, revolutionizing the gaming industry. By immersing yourself in blockchain-based games, you can earn cryptocurrency rewards for your in-game achievements. Explore virtual worlds, complete tasks, and acquire valuable assets that can be traded or sold for real-world currency. Leading the charge is games like Axie Infinity, offering players the chance to earn while they play. With the potential for substantial earnings and a vibrant community of gamers, play-to-earn games provide a unique opportunity to monetize your gaming passion. Don't miss out on the chance to turn your gaming skills into financial assets. Number 9. Competitive gaming, dominating the crypto esports scene. Rise to dominance in the thrilling world of crypto esports. With blockchain technology reshaping competitive gaming, opportunities abound for skilled players. Enter tournaments and championships hosted by blockchain games like Axie Infinity and compete for lucrative prizes and recognition. Unlike traditional esports, the crypto scene offers a less crowded field, allowing dedicated gamers to shine. Seize the chance to showcase your talent on the global stage and establish yourself as a formidable force in the crypto esports scene. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an up-and-coming talent, competitive gaming in the crypto space holds the promise of glory and rewards. Number 10. Content creation, building your crypto empire. Forge your path to success by creating captivating content in the realm of cryptocurrency. Whether it's educational videos, insightful articles, or entertaining social media posts, content creation offers a gateway to building your crypto empire. Engage with your audience, share valuable insights, and establish yourself as a trusted authority in the crypto community. Leverage platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok to reach a global audience and monetize your expertise. From sponsored content to referral links, the opportunities for earning are endless. Start your journey today and unlock the potential to build a thriving crypto empire through content creation. The world of cryptocurrency offers endless opportunities for those willing to seize them. Whether you're investing, trading, or creating content, there's a path to prosperity waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start your crypto journey today and unlock a future filled with wealth and success. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening exploration of 10 innovative ways to profit from cryptocurrency in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency and financial empowerment. Until next time, happy investing, and may your crypto ventures be fruitful.